front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Start by launching any app you wanna use in this view and accessing it in the background like that. Now click on the icon of it at the top and tap on Open in Pop-Up View. So when I do that, as you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. To move your window around, hold this sign at the top and drag it. You can even close it right away by dragging it to Close section at the bottom until you see it turns red. If you wanna resize your window, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well to scale it and even reshape it. You can also click on the line you used to move your window and check out all of those options. This one will close your window completely. It's a simple X1. This one here with arrows will change your pop-up view to fully opened up in full screen, like that. This is a split screen view icon. When you click on it and select a second app, you can switch from pop-up to split screen. To go back to pop-up, click on this line at the top of chosen app and click on pop-up view icon. To minimize your app, click on Home button and then click on the bubble to access your window, or tap on this line and use line icon on the left to turn it into pop-up view. Turn it into a bubble from pop-up view as well. You can even hold your bubble and drag it to the same Close section. Last but not least, you can click on this icon here that will transfer all of those options to the top right corner of your screen. You can also close your window by swiping it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!